Is this how you're doing deadlifts? Fix it before it gives you back pain. First mistake is lower back rounding. Your lower back rounds so that your hips can be closer to the weight. Makes you biomechanically stronger. This allows you to lift more, but at the expense of lower back pain. Upper back rounding is usually not too bad, but lower back rounding will put you at injury risk. The first fix is to lower the weights. Simply lower the weights, as lower back rounding can be due to too heavy weights. The second fix is to fix your pre-lift form. Pop your back out, chest up, shoulders push back into your back pockets. Hold it there and pull up. The third fix is to fix your hamstring flexibility. Some of you may not be able to touch the bar even if you pop your butt out and stick your chest out. This just means that your hamstrings are too tight. A fix is to stretch your hamstrings once per day to improve flexibility. The fourth fix is to think of deadlift as a two-pull movement. First pull is pulling the tension off the bar. Second pull is actually pulling it off the ground. You'll hear a clink when you lift the tension off the bar before the actual pull. Make sure you don't shift your back for that second pull, if not it's probably too heavy. Second mistakes, hips set up too low. Your hips may shoot up first. This also means that you can lift less because the center of gravity is shifted away. Fix 1 is to shift your hips higher. A good gauge will be between your head and your knees. The second fix will be to shift your body forward. Try to align the armpit to either at the bar or in front of it. Third common mistake is hyperextending. It's not only unnecessary, it's also bad for your lower back. Fix 1 is to keep your body straight. And the second fix is to flex your glutes at the top of the motion.